Hello everyone, this is Madhanandan. I'm an agriculture field officer at Canara Bank. Here in this video, we are going to see the classification of Indian drainage system, which is also called as Indian river system. This Indian drainage system or river system is mainly classified into two types. They are the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers, and each of these rivers are further divided into two types. That is, the Himalayan river system is further divided into two types. They are the antecedent rivers, which are older than Himalayas, and the non-antecedent rivers, which are younger than Himalayas. And the peninsular river system is further divided into the west flowing rivers and the east flowing rivers. And particularly in this video, we are going to see the Himalayan drainage systems or the Himalayan river system, and in the next video we will see about peninsular river systems. The Himalayan drainage system consists of mainly three rivers. They are the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra river. Now let us see each one of these rivers in detail. First we are going to see about the river Indus. The river Indus not only flow in India, but it is also flow in our neighboring countries such as the Pakistan, the Afghanistan and the China. And the total length of this river flowing in all countries is 2880 kilometers, and the length of this river in India is 1114 kilometers. And the river Indus is popularly known as the Sindhu, and it is the westernmost of the Himalayan rivers in India. Okay, now let us see about the origin of the river Indus. The river Indus is originated at a glacier near Bokarchu in Tibet region at an altitude of 4164 meters in the Kailash mountain range. And in Tibet, this river is known as Singi Kamban or the Lion's Mouth. And this river enters into Pakistan near Chillar in Dadristan region. Okay, now let us see about the major tributaries of the river Indus. They are the Shayok, the Giljit, the Jaskar, the Hanza, the Nabra, the Shigar and the Gasting and the Adra. These are present in the upper part of the Indus river, whereas in the lower part of this river the major tributaries are the Satluj, the Bias, the Ravi, the Chenab and the Jhelum. And this river finally drains into the Arabian Sea near Karachi region in Pakistan. Okay guys, now let us see about another Himalayan river, that is the river Ganga. This is the sacred river in India, and this river originates from a glacier called as Gangotri Glacier near Gomukh region at an altitude of 3900 meters in the Uttarakshi district of Uttarakhand. And this river is called as Bhagirathi at the place of origin. It means at Gangotri Glacier it is known as Bhagirathi. But from Devaprayag onwards, where Bhagirathi merges with another river called as Alaknanda, it is known as Ganga. And this Ganga river system is the largest river system in India with a total length of 2525 kilometers, where it is shared by Uttarakhand of about 110 kilometers and by Uttar Pradesh of about 1450 kilometers, by Bihar 445 and by West Bengal 520 kilometers. And the major left bank tributaries of the river Ganga are Gomti or Gumti, Gaghara or Gagra, Gandaki or Gandak and Kosi or Kusi, whereas the major right bank tributaries are Yamuna or Jamuna, Sun, Pampan and Damodar. And the river Ganga finally drains into Sundarban Delta region in Bay of Bengal. This is in brief about river Ganga, and in upcoming videos we will see the full details. Okay, now let us see the last river in Himalayan river system, that is the river Brahmaputra. And the river Brahmaputra originates from a glacier called as Chamayangdang Glacier of the Kailash range near the Mansarovar lake. And in Tibet, this river is known as Sangpo, which means the purifier. Okay, now let us see the tributaries of the river Brahmaputra. Here, the major left bank tributaries of Brahmaputra are Lohit, Dibang or Sikang, Burhi Dihing and Dansari. Whereas the major right bank tributaries of the river Brahmaputra are the Subansiri, Kameng, Manas and Sankosh. And the river Brahmaputra finally merges with the river Padma and then drains into Bay of Bengal. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video and do subscribe.